my channel. I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick launch of our new website. We're now offering courses for ethical hacking, coding, IT support. That's kind of the route that we're going down. We just released our first course today. It's Nmap for ethical hackers. If you use promo code CyberMat25, you will get the course for free. This only applies for the first 10 people to use that, so be sure to go check that out as soon as you see this video. It's also posted on LinkedIn, Facebook, and other places, so be sure to grab that before it's gone. Introductory price, we're doing $19.99. It's over 3.5 hours of course material as far as quizzes and different sections, and let's just jump in and show you what it looks like. Okay, so inside the website we have courses.cybermat.tech, and you're going to see just affordable and accessible learning for IT, coding, and ethical hacking. We got a Start Learning tab here. It's going to cover IT support, coding, ethical hacking. It's going to be professional pen testers, IT support technicians, and web developers teaching these courses. And you'll see we have expert pen testers, IT support web developers, build your skill set, enhance your skill set, and gain in-demand expertise for today's growing tech job market. And these courses are based on real-life lessons, so it's practical real-world skills, not really any unnecessary fluff. So we're giving you things that you can use day to day. Also, this course is hands-on. We set up a lab in the beginning. We'll use Metasploitable 2 as well as a virtual machine of Kali Linux. This will all be set up in VMware. That is covered in this course as well. There's a little section about me, my education. You can subscribe to our newsletter where we'll be pushing out promos and deals throughout the years and stuff as time goes on and more courses we add, as well as your contact page and privacy policy. Let's go ahead and look at the course here. You can also gift this course to someone if you would rather do that. If it's not for you and you know somebody that would benefit from this, you do have that option as well. And you'll see it's from Scanning Newbie to Scanning Ninja. Let's hack the network ethically. You notice it's hands-on, not just watching, you're actually doing like I was saying. You'll scan along with me during this course. Death by PowerPoint? Absolutely not. There's very minimal slides here. So what will you learn? How to perform Nmap scans against targets, networking enumeration and fingerprinting, Nmap scan result interpretation, Firewall, IDS evasion for Nmap, Nmap switches and their uses, OS enumeration, scan timing and performance. Also, how to use wireshark to capture and look at the packets that you're sending across. Our first section is Intro to Nmap. You can see we go ahead and start in a lab setup for this course kind of immediately right off the bat and start with your first lab here. Next section we have basic scans and top 5 commands used in this section. So we'll go through, again you see labs here as well. And as far as the course times, we got network host and enumeration. We have Nmap scan result interpretation, OS and version enumeration, performance and timing improvement switches, the Nmap scripting engine and automation, Nmap scripting advanced, got IP auditor and firewall slash IDS evasion, and then at the end, let's put it all together, what you've learned, kind of a cheat sheet for Nmap and conclusion and how to continue practicing these skills. Also, at the completion, you will receive a certificate of completion with the course title, your name, and everything. It's signed off by me and has our company logo here. And the first 2 videos of the course you can view with this introduction. We'll jump in here, kind of show you how that goes there. You'll see you have all the materials here on the left of the course as you're going through. You can mark these as complete. Like I said, there is quizzes at the end of every section, and there's a final quiz at the end to test your knowledge and see where you're at. Everything's close up. You can watch it on your phone, computer, tablet, wherever you normally study your courses or whatever. But like I said, CyberMat25 is the promo to get it for free for the first 10 people, so don't wait too long. Thank you guys.